I have this little box from Hobby Lobby, and I am in the process of painting it, clearly. I am painting it. I got a little box. It had flowers on it. It was cute and all, but we're going to make it cuter. So I didn't get a chance to finish drying it, so I'll dry it. And give it one more coat. I will show you what we're going to put on it. This is beautiful. This is what you call a non-woven fabric. Like kind of like you know those aisle runners you get when you get married and you know you don't want to mess up the bride's dress. Kind of feels like that. It's like a fabric. It's sheer, very sheer. I got this on Amazon. I've used half of it, believe it or not. There was more to this. Did not iron it. I probably could have, should have, but when you put the Mod Podge on, then it doesn't stay folded. I'm just going to give it another quick little coat. Okay, Mod Podge. Now I'm getting low on this stuff. I'm going to have to get some more. The box opens like this, so it's going to have to go from back here. Oh. I like this side better than this side. It's got prettier tones and prettier colors. I'm going to take that word forgive and respect and all that. I'll have to go on something else. But I think that's where we're going with this. I might have to go in here and put a little more Mod Podge on after I cover it. So hang with me here. Hang with me. So I want to get this right to the edge here. And like I said, this is a really nice forgiving. It's like fabric almost, y'all. It's yeah. It's okay. The Mod Podge went through a little bit, but that's okay because I'm gonna put some on top anyway. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly go around it so I can get rid of the bulk. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I love this paper. It is so pretty. Well, they call it paper, but it's not. It's fabric. So the inside, here's the dealio. The inside of this box is pretty blasé. Would you not agree? So anyway, I have this gorgeous, look at how pretty this is gonna go with this. It's gonna flow with this color. This is real velvet, by the way. I bought a bunch of it a long time ago, and I have lined boxes and whatnot through the years with it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a package of these rollers that you get from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open them up, and I fitted 6 of them in here before the live. You just take this part off and bye-bye. There's that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I probably cut too much of this. I'm going to decide how much I need. I'm gonna roll these little rollers. I'm gonna roll the rollers. I'm gonna glue them. I'm gonna make 12 panels. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll this over. I'm gonna do 12 of these, so bear with me here, kids. A little hot glue on the end here. Now, here's the thing. If I can put the fabric down in like that, push it down in, or I can just kind of glue it. This is going to go row after row inside of this. So this is going to butt up against this part of the box, just like this. There's going to be, I think there's 6. I think I counted 6. So I'm going to take this bottom part here, and I'm just going to lay it in here like that, right up against that wall. Ta-da. Well, I have to push that down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that in the corner. This leaf here is similar to this leaf here, but this leaf was one of the brooches, one of the month, kind of the month brooches. This one's too big. This is an antique bronze. I'm going to mix these metals tonight. And I could go right in that corner. A little bit of hot glue in there. But I really like this little, it's kind of like it's got a pearl in the middle, and it's just a little flower is what it is. So there's that. I say go big or go home. So I am going to measure it. I'm just going to put a little bit of bling all the way around here because we can. You see all that pretty bling? My bags, my little bags, you know, like this here, and then, but I want to show you how this is going to work. You kind of get the gist of how it works. I'm not sure that this is exactly how it's going to look. I might even come up with some rings. You never know. I do have several boxes that I'm going to be using different types of presentation. Here's the box. Here's the inside. Here it is all the way around, all that beautiful bling. And it's going to be filled with bling.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.